Hello brothers and sisters, this is a continuation of HTML forms. In the previous tutorial, you learned how to add a placeholder to your inputs. In this tutorial, you will learn how to add radio buttons. So let's get started. Okay guys, radio buttons are used to dictate the user to select only one option. Okay, so let me put a radio button just below our text area. So to do that, let me just copy this one here. Where is it? Let me just copy this one here, and then I will put it below here. Okay, so now I will remove this, all this one here, and the type now will be radio. All right, that is the type, radio. And then we have this attribute name. I will say, let's assume that we are selecting a gender, let's say male and female. All right, so now I will say gender. All right, and then I will give it an ID. All right, now the ID will be, let me say male, and then let me copy and paste this one. Then I will make some changes. Okay, now this one here is the same as this radio, and then the name should be the same to this one because we want the user to select only one, so it is the same here. And then now where the difference comes is male and female. So this one I will say female. Okay, now let me save, and then let me refresh my page. You can see now we have two buttons here, right? We can only select one, not two of them, right? What if we want to give them labels? We can do that. Let me copy this and paste it here. Label 4. Remember the ID is male, the first one, right? So what will be displayed comes here. We say male. Let me save it, refresh. You can see now male. Let me copy this and paste it above the other one. Okay, above the female. Right, let me save it, refresh. You can see. Okay, let me change the text here, female. Save it, let me refresh. You can see now male and female. Okay, all right, that's all for this short tutorial. Now you have learned how to add a radio button to your form. Okay, in the next tutorial you will learn how to add checkbox to your form. I will see you there. All right.